Hey guys, it's Frederick here, and today I will be detailing the interior of this Toyota RAV4 and transform it from this to this to this, and this to this. So this car is not in such a bad shape, but it definitely is due for a detail, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And here I'm just showing you guys the before videos, so stay tuned and watch the whole video to see the transformation. And for the first step, I usually remove the debris and personal items out of the car so that it'll be easier for me to vacuum later on. So now we can start removing all 4 of the carpets out of the car. And here I have all the personal items from the car, and I like to keep them organized so that I don't lose them. It also makes it easier for me to put them back where they belong in the car after I'm done cleaning. Next is to get my air compressor ready. Gotta set the PSI, connect the air hose, and connect the tornador. There you go. I also like to lower all the windows before I start. I think having an air compressor is very important when it comes to blowing the dirt and dust out of the car. It's not necessary, but it helps speed up the process. Once I'm done blowing all the debris out, then I can start vacuuming. I usually start with the seats and then go on with the carpet. Over here, there is a couple debris that are stuck on the carpet. So a really good way to loosen it up is to use a drill with a brush attachment. And for the seats, I use carpet bomber and enzyme cleaner. Just spray them on, and I use a drill brush to agitate the dirt. Next is to use my steam cleaner. And lastly, I wipe down the seats with a microfiber towel. For the carpets, it's the same process. I just blow it out with my tornador. I also like to use my drill brush while I vacuum. And then we spray it with carpet bomber and enzyme cleaner. Hit it with the steam cleaner. I also like to vacuum again before I wipe it down with a microfiber towel. And once I clean all the carpets, I like to leave them out in the sun to speed up the drying process. Next, I'm going to be cleaning the back seats of the car. For the door panels, I just use a detail brush and APC. Then hit it with my steam cleaner. And I use my Tornador to blow any excess wet spots before I wipe it down with a microfiber towel. The same process applies for all of the interior panels. Now we can put the carpets back in the car. And last but not the least, clean the windows. And here are the results. As you can see, the car is very clean and it definitely smells good in here. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video.